Who says winters have to be boring? If you are looking for the best winter solo getaway or a family vacation, you're in the right place. Stick around for our top 9 best places to visit during the winter holidays. This is more than enough to have you packing your bags and redoing your love for traveling in the cold months. Welcome to our channel, where we share with you all the amazing places on this planet to put on your bucket list. If you're new here, we know you're going to like it here. And if you're a subscriber, thank you for coming back. Without further ado, here we go. Number 9. Igloo Hotels in Lapland, Finland. Is your winter complete without seeing the northern lights? These colorful displays of lights in the night sky have fascinated people for centuries. There's a sure way to discover the best position for this magnificent view. It's known as the Aurora Hotel in Lapland, Finland. For less than $200, you can have the time of your life watching the Aurora Borealis. All you have to do is wait for the lights to appear. Of course, it doesn't hurt that you'll be warm and cozy within the heated glass domes of the hotel room. This adds a lot more to the once-in-a-lifetime experience. Plus, you get cozy beds and a private sauna within your private glass igloo. The fun doesn't stop at the lights, though. You could spend the rest of your stay trying out cross-country skiing, especially if you're feeling more than a little adventurous. If you want something simpler, hiking through the pine forests is a great choice too. Number 8. Skiing resorts in Switzerland. To be honest, there's so much to say about Switzerland in winter, but we'll keep it as simple as possible. If you would love to experience winter without freezing, visit the fairy tale-like villages in this country. You'll be getting the full blast of the local life with occasional walks around the lakes. There's no limit to how you can have fun, as it all depends on your preferences. For a top-notch experience, visit any of the available luxurious skiing resorts. They will help you plan your adventure down the Alps. This is the haven of most lovers of winter sports, and you'll be sure to have the time of your life. Be sure to check out some party clubs here if that's your scene. Switzerland has everything you could want, from bubbly nightclubs to wine bars. Finally, you could round up your trip with unforgettable pictures at the Swiss National Park. If you're on a family vacation, this will give you one way to preserve the beautiful memories. Number 7. Ice caves in Vatnajökull, Iceland. Glacier hiking is one of the funnest activities in winter. And what's the best place to get an unmatched experience? Iceland. Well, it's not called Iceland for nothing. For anyone who loves hiking in winter, the glaciers in Iceland are as welcoming as ever. The beautiful thing about visiting the ice caves is that you get to walk on ice that is thousands of years old. Here, you'll be surrounded by dramatic terrain bathed in history. Of course, there are hundreds of amazing destinations for glacier hiking. However, none beats the largest glacier in Europe, Vatnajökull. This unique destination has everything you could possibly want in a glacier hike. We're talking about blue ice caves to complex ice formations that are nothing short of fascinating. We recommend glacier hiking with a guide, and they aren't difficult to find. These guides also offer the necessary equipment, and you'll be well on your way to a full day of icy fun. Number 6. Chateau Frontenac in Quebec, Canada. Looking for a great urban escape this winter? Quebec, with its cobblestone alleys and European-style architecture, covered in lots of snow, is an amazing choice. There's no shortage of activities in December. This includes getting a perfect view of Chateau Frontenac while toboggan riding. The Chateau Frontenac is a grand luxury hotel that is breathtakingly beautiful. It's not surprising that it has been photographed more than any other hotel worldwide. So imagine getting unfiltered views of this historic site while racing down a hill in a toboggan at 70 kilometers per hour. That's quite a rush. December is also the month of one of the most celebrated holidays in the world, Christmas. Quebec City lights up with various Christmas markets during this time. The German Christmas market and Old Port markets are lovely ones to check out. Here, you could shop for souvenirs and maple treats, including gingerbread. Number 5. Rockefeller Center in New York City, USA. If you're trying to escape freezing temperatures in winter, you may wonder why somewhere in the northern United States is on this list. However, New York City deserves a spot for the winter wonderland it actually is, if you know where to go. This is definitely a better choice than your hometown's drab cold. So let's take you through some of the best ways to spend your winter holiday in this city. Winter in NYC brings amazing transformation. You can have a magical evening skating in Central Park. Rockefeller Center comes with a Christmas tree tradition that is as old as time. If you're in town anytime from mid-November, you're just in time to get a first-hand view of the Christmas lighting. The beautiful displays make that time of the year a memorable one for everyone. Number 4. Mountains in Tromsa, Norway. Remember we talked about seeing the northern lights while being cozy in an Igloo hotel in Finland? Well, you could choose to experience this at the top of a mountain. There's no better location than Tromsa in Norway. Tromsa is more than 300 kilometers north of the Arctic Circle, which means it experiences lots and lots of winter snow. However, this snow comes with the magical northern lights. There are only a few things as beautiful as the breathtaking display of colorful lights in the skies. So, anytime from September to April, winters offer the opportunity to spot them. We recommend taking the Fjellheisen cable car in town. This will lead you to the mountains for unhindered views. There's a higher chance of viewing the northern lights during a 48-day timeline between November and January. This is the polar night period, when the northern lights can appear even during the day. Number 3. Aspen, Colorado, USA. Make the most of the winter holidays with a skiing trip to Aspen in Colorado. This is one of the hottest spots for snowboarders and skiers. With 4 mountains with slopes that delight even pros, it's heaven on earth for lovers of skiing. However, these world-class slopes may be a little too complicated for beginners. This winter holiday is as good a time as any to finally get a winter ski trip off your bucket list. Enjoy wonderful dining at nearby restaurants after days of hitting the slopes to make this holiday even more perfect. Number 2. Vienna State Opera in Vienna, Austria. The North Pole may be the undisputed home of Santa Claus, but one of the best cities to experience the true Christmas spirit is Vienna. No doubt, this city is a beautiful one to visit any time of the year. However, you'll fall in love with it all over again if you visit in winter. Let's start with the stunning architecture that tells of a city rooted in art and fashion. One of the best activities in Vienna is going to a performance at the Vienna State Opera. This will inspire a true appreciation for the culture of this city. Vienna is also a great skiing destination. There are several resorts close to this city that will help you bring your skiing aspirations to life. You'll also love how you can get the best experience in this city without spending thousands of dollars. Number 1. Carnivals in Prague, Czech Republic. Moving through a city during peak tourism periods can be very discouraging. Pushing through crowds won't leave room for you to savor this experience. However, that's the beauty of visiting Prague in winter. Due to the low traffic for visitors, winter is great for getting the best accommodations. You can also view historical centers without discomfort. Participating in the carnivals is a great activity for a winter vacation in Prague. It's perfect for watching elaborate processions of masked dancers and mascots. The carnivals are always an unforgettable experience. Cap it up with the delicious food offered by various cafes around the city. You can also check out Prague Castle and Charles Bridge. These are both architectural marvels that are a reflection of the rich artistry of the city. So which place was your favorite? Comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, you're definitely going to love this other video from our channel. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want more content like this. See you soon, and until then, bon voyage!